Ibundioma. After a heated argument about colors under one of my posts recently, I decided to learn more about colors in Igbo. I learned that in Igbo, only black, ojii, and white, ọcha, have a distinctive adjective that stays on its own. Other colors usually consist of double words. For example, edo, odo, anụnụ, ire, ndụ. I actually love this one because ndụ means life. Aja is soil. Aja is brown. Ọrọma is an orange. Ọrọma is the color orange. Ntụ is ash. Ntụ is gray. Ola is jewelry. Edo is yellow. Oledo is golden. You get it? Ola ọcha is silver. If you want to say that something is of a particular color, you would use ọ na-acha. For example, ọ na-acha ọcha, ọ na-acha anụnụ, ọ na-acha ndụ. But you cannot say ọ na-acha with black, ojii. With black, ojii, we can only say ọ na-eji ojii. This is because ọ na-acha can only be used with brighter colors. I asked about red recently and you gave me these answers. Mme, ọbara, uhie. So I came up with this chart because I read all your comments. Thank you for your contributions to my growth. I guess this proves that na, Igbo, na-asụ, n'ọnụ,